Hey everyone, wanted to update you on what's happening in the real estate market right now. We just had our Wednesday meeting, and it's really interesting to hear what all the agents were saying. So, a couple of things that are going on. District 9, SOMA, south of Market, that is really starting to pick up. Condos that have been on the market for 2 or 3 months are starting to get snatched up. That means that those AI tech workers are starting to come in and they want to work, should I say, they want to live near where they work. So that's where all the high rise condos and things like that in San Francisco are. So as that starts to pick up, that's great. That means the economy is moving forward. One thing of note too, there was a recent Wells Fargo Economic Summit, and they're saying there's a release of pent up demand that's starting now. And we're seeing it at open houses. I just did an open house. We had 27 groups come through. A lot of my colleagues are talking about between 20 and 30 groups showing up. That's pre-pandemic numbers. I hadn't done an open house in, I don't even know, 2 or 3 years that had more than 25 groups show up. So that's really, really good. San Francisco, as most people know, a lot of the buyers, it really depends on what's happening in the stock market. Stock market's been going crazy, so people are looking to get out there and start purchasing homes. Also, recently too, in New York, there was $100 million property that recently got snatched up. So as those wealthy buyers start buying, it starts to ripple out to the rest of the country. I thought this was interesting too. Remote workers were promoted 31% less than those that were in the office. So my CEO has been talking about this a lot. You got to get your butt back in the office, get meeting people. Just like, I mean, in any business, it's all about relationships. If you want to get promoted, you need to talk to your manager and have a good relationship with your manager as well as your colleagues. So I thought that was very interesting. According to the article as well, is that they thought that almost everybody will be back to in office 5 days a week in the next 3 years. So I thought that was really interesting. Let's see what else. Oh, one last thing is it looks like January sales numbers are just coming in. Looks like we're about 30% above last year in January. January is typically a very slow month in terms of house sales, so it's great to see that the things are starting to move. I'm hearing a lot of new properties that are coming on the market. So if you're on the fence, have anybody that has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Let's get you pre-approved before March, April, May, because there's going to be a lot of competition out there. All right, talk to you later.